Few questions about the business.
What social class do the employees belong to? Low income, middle income, or high income?
As the owner of a local cafe, it's not appropriate for me to categorize my employees. Based on their social class, I value each member for their unique skills, contribution, and dedication to our cafe. Our staff comes from diverse backgrounds and we prioritize creating an inclusive environment where everyone feels valued and respected regardless of their income level or social class.
Has there ever been an instance where an employee was discriminated by a customer or fellow worker because of a social class?
So far, there has not been an instance where an employee was discriminated by a customer or a fellow worker because of his social class. I take the well-being and fair treatment of my employees very seriously. There were an instant where my employee felt discriminated against due to their social class would be addressed immediately. We strive to maintain a respectful and inclusive environment for everyone at our cafe.
Noticed or experienced any social class barriers that affects your work environment?
Yes, I've noticed some social class barriers affecting environment at the cafe. Different backgrounds among staff sometimes lead to misunderstanding or tensions where working promotes and improving building activities and open communication to create a more inclusive and harmonious workplace for everyone. We are aware that social barriers can sometimes impact our work environment.
Among the social class barriers, which is the most difficult to address as a manager?
The most challenging barrier for managers is seeing the belief that some people are better than others because of their social class. Changing this mindset is hard because deeply rooted. As the owner, I need to promote understanding and respect among employees to tackle this issue.
What do you think is the best way to address these social class barriers within your workplace?
To address this, we're doing several things like offering diversity training to help staff understand and respect each other's background, encouraging open conversation to talk about any issue or misunderstanding, implementing fair rules and practice to ensure everyone is treated equally. Lead by example by showing respect and inclusivity in how I interact with everyone. By doing these things, we hope to create a more united and harmonious workplace where everyone feels valued and respected.
So thank you so much for your time and thank you for sharing your insights about social class.